So now let's see how we can work around with brushstrokes filter inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to access the brushstrokes filter, I'm going to go to filter menu right here, and here you can see brushstrokes is an option. You can go around and select out the filter that you want right here. So if I were to go around and select like a centered edges right here, then you can see that certain brushstrokes are applied. And brushstroke filters are all over here, as you can see. So there's a centered edges right here, and you can change it out like a brushstroke. As you can see, you can click and drag this around over here. You can go around and change it to angle strokes right here. You can make it like crosshatch right here for more of that artistic effect. You can go for dark strokes right here. You can go for ink outlet right here. You can go for splatter, as you can see, just like this, and you can make it like sprayed stroke right here and sumi-e right here. So there are different type of brush strokes, as you can see right here, and you can apply it out over here to the image and it'll show you the result. If I were to go to filter right here in brushstrokes, then you can see that all of those options that you get from the filter gallery that opens up are accessible right from over here as well, and you can click on it to access them back in filter gallery as well. And that is how you can apply out the brushstrokes filter inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.